out for a walk here with Rufus. It's dusk almost at this point, and it's also the day before Vlogmas. So like I said in my last video yesterday, I'm not going to be doing a video every day, just whenever I feel I have something interesting to share with you or show you, or something beautiful to show you. So I hope you enjoy this festive series in the month of December, and yeah, there might be a little surprise at the end as well.
In the bleak midwinter, frosty wind made moan. Earth stood hard as iron, water like a stone. Snow had fallen, snow on snow, snow on snow. In the bleak
I just came down to the studio to see what it looks like in the dark with the light on. It looks so cozy and nice. So I can't wait until we have a door on and there's some heat inside, because it's so well insulated. I don't think I'll really need the heat on. So apparently it's going to be well warmer than our house. And if you've watched previous Vlogmases, you'll know that it can be anything from around 9, 10, 11 degrees in the kitchen in the morning, and that's with the heating just coming on. So quite cold, but it's going to be really warm here, which we are also slightly concerned about, because once the pots go on, or in the summer and there's big panes of glass, it might be too warm. But at least I have opening windows, so that'll let a bit of breeze in, I think. So I watched Pride and Prejudice last night in anticipation of opening my advent calendar from Hello Stella. So in the advent calendar, I was seeing a lot of period colours like navy, blue, oh there goes the stuff, and greens, and quite a lot of pastel colours, and quite a lot of like light off-whites. So anticipating some darker colours, maybe some pastels and some off-white. So that's my prediction for this advent calendar. So I'll be opening them day about, one day mine, one day Lindsay's. So this is day one of Lindsay's advent calendar. I would also anticipate some browns, because Elizabeth Bennet wore a brown dress like quite a lot of the time in the dress, or in the film. I think she also had a green dress, but then the landscape's also quite like green and brown. Oh. This is what just happened, huh? Yeah. This is what happened, yeah? Yeah. Oh dear. Rufus, can you not come and like that up? Like, do you not like that? Thanks. So it's 11:45. I haven't even really looked at the footage yet, but I'm just doing some knitting on a new project that none of you have seen yet. I was out tonight playing badminton. That is my favourite sport in the world. And yeah, so I don't have much knitting time on a Friday night. So yeah, this is my Ian sweater by November Knits, and it's going very well, and it's also going very quickly. It is in my Causeway yarn and my natural sock yarn, which is what I knitted my sweater number 18 out of, which is this. Yeah, I'm just doing a little bit every day, or trying to. My German short rows came out a little bit strange, like you can see them on this side, which is a little bit weird, so I might go in afterwards with a tapestry needle and fix this little problem. I don't know where it came from, but yeah, I'm really loving the colour. I'll show it to you in the daylight. It's a very mild marl, and it looks really, really good. I'm really pleased with how it looks. So I feel like this was quite like a bad first episode, but take heart. The next ones will be better, I hope. I'll maybe get to talk you through a couple of my tile samples for the studio and stuff that's coming for the studio, and I'm waiting a flower to come for my sourdough starter. It's quite unhappy at the moment, so when that comes, Vlogmas will start. So see you in a while. I don't know if I'll record it the weekend, but if not, definitely see you Monday. Bye.